David Ienna from Fairmax Law. Bankruptcy provides a fresh start, but rebuilding your credit afterwards is crucial to regaining financial stability. Today, I'm going to share some practical tips on how to rebuild your credit after filing for bankruptcy. Rebuilding your credit takes time and effort, but it's entirely possible. The first step is to review your credit report for any errors or discrepancies. Make sure that discharged debts are accurately reported as having a zero balance. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Correcting these mistakes can help improve your credit score. One of the most effective ways to rebuild your credit is to obtain a secured credit card. A secured card requires a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. Use it responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance in full each month. Paying all your bills on time is critical. This includes utility bills, rent, and any other regular payments. Consistent, on-time payments demonstrate to creditors that you can manage your finances responsibly. Creating and sticking to a budget is another important step. Budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you live within your means and avoid accumulating new debt. Regularly monitor your credit score to track your progress. Many online services offer free credit score monitoring, which can help you stay informed about changes to your credit profile. Rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy won't happen overnight, but with dedication and responsible financial habits, you can achieve a strong credit score and a secure financial future. At Fairmax Law, we're here to support you every step of the way. If you have questions about rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy, contact Fairmax Law today for a free consultation. We're here to help you create a plan for financial success.